Where's your lawyer?
I don't know. Tahiti, maybe. He's got a timeshare there.
When a defendant has no lawyer, the court will assign one to him. Hey!
Wow, look at that, friends. Here, lot of cars. Wow. School bus, McQueen luxury bus. Wow. Look at that, friends, please. Okay. Okay, first one. White. Oh. Okay, next one. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay. Oh, please, please. Oh. School bus. Wow, look at that. Wow, look at that, friends. It's McQueen Dinico. Wow, next one is McQueen lighting. Wow, look at that, friends. Blue. Okay, look at that, friends. And it's a sheriff police car. Okay, look at that, friends. It's luxury bus. Wow. Okay. Wow, look at that, friends. It's McQueen Louise. Okay. Look at that. It's a sports car. Wow, look at that, friends. Okay, next one is yellow color lighting. McQueen Cruz Ramirez. Okay. Wow, look at that. It's a McQueen 95. Wow. Look at that. It's a Denico. Wow. It's a blue. Wow. It's a loader car. Thank you, friend, for watching. Please subscribe.